My name is Gary Martin. I'm a director at Replay Maintenance. Replay Maintenance are a national provider of specialist maintenance to synthetic turf pitches, running tracks and the like. We provide such care as rejuvenation, which is air extraction of infill from turf pitches, synthetic turf pitches, and the aquatrax process, which is a machine utilised to clean athletics tracks and was utilised for such tracks as the Olympics 2012 in London. We're here today to support the IOG. They run a course for grounds professionals in the maintenance of synthetic surfaces. Replay have augmented the IOG, supported the IOG for the last 2 years in providing knowledge and expertise in this particular field. Today we're here at St Ives, a course run by the facility for the grounds professionals in and around the vicinity, all here to learn about how to look after these facilities, whether they've got a pitch now or whether a pitch is being built for them currently. We run through things like specialist maintenance, which occurs through Replay and other companies, and daily maintenance, which has to take place through themselves, the do's and the don'ts, the hows, the how not to's. It's been well supported throughout its last 2 years with us. We're glad to be doing it and hope to continue to do so for the next few years. Education of grounds professionals is really important to us at Replay. We feel that augmenting the skill set of a professional, growing that skill set and supporting them, arm round them, really helps in the end product. The guys here have all said that they felt a little left out of the process of building the pitch until such a point that the pitch was built and it needed to be brushed. Getting that skill set right from the beginning, it's proven that the grounds professional is happier in what he does, can do it better, to the better of his knowledge, and that's why we're here. We're here to pass on our knowledge and wisdom, our expertise, what we've learned through the industry, pass that on to the grounds professional so that he can utilise that at the sharp end.
The IOG have put these courses and deliver these courses mainly because of demand and lack of knowledge in the industry about how to maintain synthetic surfaces. Synthetic surfaces in the past have been portrayed as being low maintenance, all weather. So what we try and lay out in the courses is how to maintain them correctly, a little bit of knowledge and understanding about what you can do, how you can play on them and what weather conditions you can play on. But we mainly run these courses because of demand of the industry. A lot more synthetic surfaces are being built, being delivered, so we need to make sure that we have a training course and training provision for the people maintaining the surfaces. We run the synthetic courses with 2 key partners who are Charterhouse, who mainly deliver machinery, and with Replay Maintenance, who come along and give information on how to maintain their pitches, what machinery they use, and we see the partners as vital to our courses because we are the independent organisation, but they're the experts in the field. Certainly with Replay Maintenance, they maintain surfaces across the country and have the experience to be able to pass their knowledge and understanding on to the delegates on the day. The course today is designed that the delegates go away with more understanding of the synthetic surface and certainly how to maintain it. Construction of it is covered in the day, but we understand that a lot of the surfaces are already constructed and are being played on. So out of the day, we try and make it a fluid day, we try and make it a debate day. So one of the first things that we do is ask them what they do or what they understand of synthetic turf. We write them down on a board, and at the end of the day we cover everything that they have suggested, and that will range from maintenance, from floodlights, from machinery, from wear and tear of the pitch, from booking the pitches out, fencing, everything that's covered. Anything that the delegates want to raise, they can raise it, and we try our best to answer the questions. The education as far as maintenance of synthetic surfaces are concerned is vital as far as we're concerned, because we need to make sure that the people who are looking after the surfaces understand what they're looking after and also understand what is involved, because unfortunately perception 30 years ago when synthetic surfaces really came on the market was that they are maintenance free and or weather. And these are some of the perceptions that we try and break down. So education is important, to break down the perceptions that are out there and to try and guide and give knowledge and understanding to the delegates on the day of how to maintain their surfaces.
My name is Rob Bradshaw. I'm head groundsman at One Leisure St Ives. This is a 52-acre site. We have 3G, which is the best maintained 3G with the IOG award. We also have an Astro pitch, which is predominantly used for hockey. We also have a 400-metre running track, which is porous, along with 24 natural cricket wickets, 1 artificial cricket wicket, and 9 football pitches and 1 rugby over 52 acres. It's very important to maintain the artificial pitch here at One Leisure due to the reason of the amount of play it has. It has about 70 hours play a week. Obviously with school and natural users using it, hiring it out till about 10 o'clock at night. Obviously the fibres can lay down. The idea is for the fibres to stand up. That's why we brush it 3 times a week. For every 10 hours of play we do 1 hour's maintenance, and that includes brushing and litter picking of the surface, obviously checking the goals to make sure the nets are perfectly safe, because health and safety plays a big part. I think education is a key to success. Everyone has to be educated in what they do, whether it's natural or synthetic, and I think the actual user needs to know that as well, because obviously a poor maintained pitch could result in loss in revenue. It could also mean that you could be replacing it in so many years' time. I think it's important to educate the user as well, as in the players, the managers that use the site, because they need to know what you're doing, and if you can educate them and tell them what you're doing to the surface, I think they do appreciate, certainly here they appreciate what I do, because I make it paramount that I go and talk to them, and they like that. Replay Maintenance are here today to give great knowledge to the people that are on the course, and I think it's good that a company like Replay Maintenance can give good valuable knowledge out to the people in there. And I think personally, sitting in there, they've gained a lot of experience, and we'll see later on this afternoon when we see the machines working. Hopefully some tough questions will be pushed towards Replay Maintenance and Ian Mayford-Brewster, who's the IOG instructor.
Today's been a great success, really positive feedback. The guys that have sat in the classroom and have come out and done the practical side of things have really learnt what needed to be done to move a facility forward, and also what they can pass on to the people that work in and around them. So it's been a really positive day.